In a lively little village, there lived a mouse named Cheddar. Cheddar wasn't just any mouse, he was the talk of the town for his clever pranks and unstoppable love for cheese. If there was cheese within a mile, Cheddar could find it. One sunny afternoon, he caught a whiff of something truly extraordinary. His nose twitched, his whiskers wiggled, and his stomach growled. Following the scent, he discovered the source, a newly opened cheese factory on the outskirts of the village. It was massive, with shiny windows and a big sign that read, "Best cheese in town." Cheddar's eyes lit up like fireflies at midnight. He thought to himself, a whole factory filled with cheese. It's a dream come true. But as he got closer, he noticed a big, fierce cat guarding the entrance. The cat had sharp eyes, a scar over one ear, and a bell on its collar that jingled menacingly. Cheddar knew this wasn't going to be easy, but he wasn't about to give up. Cheddar sat under the bush, scratching his head and thinking hard. The cat was too alert to sneak past, so Cheddar needed a distraction. Looking around, he spotted a group of birds pecking at crumbs nearby. An idea struck him. He scurried over to the birds and squeaked, "Hey, friends, did you know there's a feast of breadcrumbs right over there by the factory door?" The birds perked up, excited by the news. Cheddar led them to the factory entrance, where the crumbs were scattered, just as he had seen. As the birds swooped down to peck at the crumbs, the cat became annoyed. "Shoo! Go away," the cat meowed, swatting at the birds with his paw. While the cat was distracted, Cheddar darted past him and squeezed through a small hole in the factory wall. Once inside, Cheddar was greeted by the sight of endless rows of cheese wheels, blocks, and wedges of every variety imaginable. His mouth watered. "This is paradise," he whispered to himself. Cheddar couldn't believe his luck. Cheese was everywhere. He dashed from one shelf to another, nibbling a little from each type: cheddar, Gouda, brie, mozzarella, and even a fancy blue cheese. Each bite was better than the last. But Cheddar's excitement made him careless. As he tried to pull down a giant wedge of parmesan, it slipped and fell with a loud thud. The noise echoed through the factory, and outside, the cat's ears perked up. "What was that?" the cat hissed, prowling toward the noise. Cheddar panicked. He had to hide. He dove behind a stack of cheese wheels, holding his breath as the cat entered the factory. The cat sniffed the air, growling, "I smell a mouse." The cat sniffing got closer and closer to Cheddar's hiding spot. Thinking fast, Cheddar spotted a long piece of string lying nearby. He tied one end to a cheese wheel and rolled it into the center of the room. Then he squeaked loudly, "Hey, over here." The cat pounced toward the noise, only to trip over the string. The cheese wheel rolled forward, crashing into a stack of cheese blocks. Chaos erupted as cheese rolled and tumbled everywhere, creating a giant mess. Using the commotion to his advantage, Cheddar sprinted toward the hole in the wall. The cat scrambled to untangle itself but slipped on a piece of brie, falling flat on its back. Cheddar laughed as he squeezed out of the factory and dashed back home, his tiny arms carrying a small piece of cheddar cheese. Back in his cozy mouse hole, Cheddar munched on his stolen prize, feeling triumphant. But as he looked around, he realized his little prank had caused a big mess. The factory workers would have a tough time cleaning up all the cheese. Cheddar felt a twinge of guilt. The next day, he returned to the factory, sneaking in while the cat napped. He carefully stacked some of the fallen cheese blocks back onto the shelves. Though he couldn't clean everything, he did his best to fix the mess he had made. From that day on, Cheddar decided that being mischievous was fun, but it was also important to take responsibility for his actions. And, of course, he still loved cheese, but now, he enjoyed it without causing trouble. Moral of the story: it's okay to have fun, but always take responsibility for your actions.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.